How to add Echo Show 5 to Alexa app. To add Echo Show 5 or any of the other modules for any reason, it's very simple. You download the Amazon Alexa app first, open it up, then tap on the plus icon from the top right hand side from Amazon Alexa, then tap on the device option. Now you can choose what kind of device we have. It is an Amazon Echo, so you can select Amazon Echo, and within Amazon Echo also there will be different type of options, so we can see various options. I will select the first one, which is Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop and Echo More. So tap on that option and you have to wait and see if your Amazon Echo Show is actually showing an orange light. If it is showing, then tap on yes. If not, tap on no option, and you'll be able to go ahead and then basically blink your details right like this. So if you have an Echo that looks like this, in my case, then you can press the action button. If you have the second image, then you can press the plus and minus. In other cases, plus and the mute button, then tap the continue button to continue and set up the changes. And that way you'll be able to connect your Amazon Echo 5 to Amazon Alexa app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.